फिर थोड़ा इधर उधर होने का चांस। कथन, फॉर यू इट्स ओके इफ आई कीप दैट 15-15 का?
यस सर, यस।
हाँ शायद चल जाएगा, अगर एकदम गले तक आ रहा है तो छोड़ देना।
यस।
लास्ट क्लास आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू पीएन जंक्शन unbiased state, no?
Yes.
Due to high concentration of charges near the junction, positive hole diffuses with negative electron. As P loses, positive hole becomes negative charge and N becomes positively charged. This much we did. There exists potential between the junction called as potential for germanium 0.3, for silicon 0.7. Then layer obtained is called depletion layer. That much we had done, I think. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, right. One more line. There, Isha? Isha is there?
Yes, sir.
Aditya Venkatraman, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you have told me to send the solution. Today I will send you the solution of electron photon. Tomorrow EMI and next day AMN on Friday. So by Friday you will get everything. Okay, देखो. There exists electric field near junction. From where to where? Field acts from where to where? Positive to negative. So can I say from N type to P type? क्योंकि N positive है,
Yes.
P negative है ना, उल्टा हो रहा है. P negative and positive. So from N to P type there will be electric field near the junction. Write one line.
Done, sir.
One more line. PN junction is also called diode as shown. Diode. Your vertical line is negative and other side is positive. So actually this is like arrow indicating direction of flow of current from positive to negative. Simple chapter, but still important because at least 4 MCQ you can expect in the exam. Most of the students leave this chapter in option, and that is the reason why they give 4 MCQs. Once you are done, please tell. The next topic will start. Forward bias
Thanks.
PN junction. Explain working of forward biased PN junction. से नाम से क्लियर हो गया. Forward means charges should come closer, forward direction. Biased means when connected to the battery. Unbiased means not connected to any external sources. This is our block diagram. P side, N side, P is positive and N is negative, है ना? Actually वो negatively charged है, but positively charged containing negative electron. This is which terminal of the battery? Longer one?
Positive.
Positive. And this is smaller? Positive when connected to positive, negative when connected to negative, it is called forward biased PN junction. Now why it is called? Again listen. When P-type semiconductor is connected to positive terminal, N-type is connected to negative terminal of battery, then PN junction is called as forward biased PN junction. Clear this one? प्लस प्लस माइनस माइनस के साथ फॉरवर्ड बायस. प्लस प्लस क्या करता है? अट्रैक्ट क्या रिपेल?
रिपेल.
और माइनस माइनस क्या करेगा?
Repel.
रिपेल. मतलब ये प्लस को इधर से रिपेल करेगा, ये माइनस को इधर रिपेल करेगा, और माइनस प्लस को खींचता भी है ना, प्लस माइनस को खींचता है ना.
Yes, sir.
मतलब एक दूसरे का नजदीक जाएंगे ना ये लोग, एक
Yes.
दूसरे के नजदीक जाएंगे ना ये दोनों,
हाँ,
तो इसका मतलब चार्ज फ्लो होएगा ना, मतलब ये इधर से आया फिर टूस, दूसरे से आया फिर टूस, तो करंट फ्लो हो गया ना,
yes, sir.
करंट विल फ्लो फ्रॉम वेयर टू वेयर, पॉजिटिव टू,
Positive to negative
तो इन फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड करंट इज फ्लोइंग और करंट इज नॉट फ्लोइंग,
flowing,
दैट मींस इट इज कंडक्टिंग और नॉट कंडक्टिंग,
conducting.
तो उसको बोलते हैं फॉरवर्ड बायस्ड पीएन जंक्शन व्हेन इट कंडक्ट्स द करंट इन एक्सटर्नल सर्किट. So just draw the diagram, then again I'm explaining.
Sir,
हाँ बोलो.
so that P is positive and N is negative, right?
See, ऐसा है, बताता हूँ आपको. P negatively charge हो गया due to losing at the junction,
Yeah, correct.
और N positive हो गया due to losing electron.
Yes.
तो right now negative है. जैसा आपने positive दिया 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 दिया, एक स्टेज आया जब ये जीरो हो गया ना,
हाँ,
इधर से नेगेटिव गया इसके पास, तो माइनस माइनस देखिए ये भी जीरो होएगा ना, एक स्टेज आएगा.
yes.
जब ये जीरो हो गया तो ये बैरियर पोटेंशियल जीरो, डिप्लीशन लेयर जीरो, तो चार्ज क्रॉस करेगा ना जंक्शन को,
Okay, got it.
चार्ज क्रॉस करेगा तो करंट आएगा. So again I'm explaining in detail, just draw the diagram.
Done, sir.
So sometimes for 2 marks they can ask, draw diagram and explain what is forward biased PN junction. See, when P side is connected to the positive terminal and N side is connected to the negative terminal of the battery, then PN junction is said to be forward biased. Then PN junction is said to be forward biased. During forward biasing, the positive terminal supplies positive pole to P side, making it न्यूट्रल, है ना, पहला नेगेटिव था, भी न्यूट्रल कर देगा. ठीक है अवन. Similarly, the negative terminal supplies negative electron to N side, making it electrically neutral. Making it neutral. चलो अभी इतनी लिखता है. Please copy this much. Then we'll see next paragraph. So when P side is connected to positive terminal, N side is connected to negative terminal of the battery, then PN junction is said to be forward biased. During forward biasing, positive terminal supplies positive volt to P side, making it neutral. Similarly, negative terminal supplies negative electron to N side, making it neutral. This much write down. JEE का डेट आया नहीं ना अभी तक, नोटिफिकेशन.
Not yet, sir.
सर जनवरी में आने वाला है.
नहीं अभी तो लेट हो गया, इतना लेट आता नहीं, मतलब एग्जाम फर्स्ट वाला शायद फेब में होगा.
उन्होंने बोला कि जनवरी में आएगा.
नहीं नहीं, नोटिफिकेशन आने के बाद ना 45 डेज के बाद एग्जाम कंडक्ट कर सकते हो एज पर रूल. तो अभी भी 40 डेज, आज 22 है और अभी तक आया नहीं, तो मुझे लगता है फरवरी फर्स्ट वीक में आपका फर्स्ट एग्जाम होगा. Because the students they have to fill the form and everything.
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody is done till this?
Yes, sir.
Thus, a stage is reached when barrier potential becomes zero and depletion layer vanishes and charges cross the junction. Thus, PN junction conducts current from positive terminal to negative terminal of battery. This is working of forward biased PN junction. Complete. Please read from this notes only. I am giving you very simple language.
Done, sir.
Okay. Reverse biased PN junction. अबे नाम है रिवर्स मतलब उल्टा होएगा. This time junction will become wider, barrier potential will increase. So this P side is connected to negative terminal, N side to the positive terminal of the battery. This is P side, N side. Electrons are drifted out, positive hole are drifted out. मतलब ये layer का size बढ़ गया, barrier potential is increased, so it will not supply the current. So I will write like this, just see whether you have understood. When P side is connected to negative terminal and N side is connected to positive terminal of battery, then the PN junction is said to be reverse biased. I think this is self-explanatory, isn't it? ये तो सेल्फ एक्सप्लेनेटरी है ना. P connected to N, N connected to P, it is called reverse bias. ठीक है, इतना तक समझा?
Yes, sir.
Draw diagram and write till this, then working we'll see.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. In reverse biased condition, the negative terminal drifts out positive pole from P side and positive terminal drifts out negative electrons from N side. Thus, barrier potential increases and depletion layer widens. Hence, no current flows through circuit. This is working of reverse biased. Condition. It is also called as open circuit. No current flowing means open circuit. Completed this.
Done, sir.
No. During forward bias, resistance increases or decreases? Yes. During forward bias, near the junction, resistance increases or decreases?
Decreases.
Decrease. So current is flowing now. Ideally, it becomes zero. Resistance, huh? So it behaves like connected wire. Ideally becomes zero. During reverse bias, resistance increases. ideally becomes infinite. Right, this too for MCQ question.
Answer.
Okay. Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Rectifier. A device which can convert alternating current or alternating voltage into direct current or direct voltage is called as rectifier. There are two types of rectifier. First, half wave rectifier. Second, full wave rectifier. Now, what is meaning of this in shortcut? This is alternating current. If you get all output in one direction, then it is called direct current, no negative, so direct, but a pulsating DC voltage. What it is called? Which DC? Pulsating. This is which DC? Pure DC. This one is DC. Is it DC? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
DC means what? Not changing its direction. That is called DC. AC means what? Changing the direction. So not necessarily every time magnitude will remain constant. So +3, +2, +3, +2, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं pulsating DC. So followed, what is rectifier?
Yes, sir.
Device which can convert
Yes.
AC to DC. अगर आधा आधा वेव को कन्वर्ट करेगा तो हाफ वेव, सब वेव को कन्वर्ट किया तो फुल वेव. That we'll see in detail. Right, this much.
Answer.
Half wave rectifier means it will give you output in same direction but only for half cycle of input, half wave rectifier. Diagram, see, the alternating source S which is to be rectified is connected across primary terminals P1, P2 across step down transformer. Step down means if voltage is 230, first AC will remain AC, usko kam kar dega thoda. This is work for step down transformer. This magnitude is decreased. Nature is kept same. So alternating source S which is to be rectified is connected across primary terminals P1, P2 of step down transformer. Secondary terminal S1 is connected to P side of junction diode B. N side is connected to terminal S2 through load resistance RL across which output is to be obtained. Load resistance means it can be your mobile, it can be television, it can be any electronic devices. That is called load resistance. Current always flows from positive to negative, positive to negative. So this side will be plus, this will be minus. Just draw this diagram, then graph I will draw, then explanation we'll see for half wave rectifier. Zener diode is deleted from the syllabus, but while teaching I will explain that also, so that in MCQ there won't be a problem. So after this half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, we are having specially designed junction diode, Zener diode, solar cell, and light emitting diode. And then will be next part transistor, and then last part digital circuit. Total there are 3 parts.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Wait.
Done diagram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm just clearing the diagram. Now graph we'll see of half wave rectifier, then working. time, time. This is input across primary, output across load resistance. So this is alternating current flowing through primary, and we get output only for one cycle, either positive or negative. This is called half wave rectification. Draw this graph.
Done, sir.
Now that working will start for half wave rectifier. The alternating source S, which is to be rectified, is connected across primary terminals P1, P2 of step down transformer. This all wordings are important. You can get MCQ. Which type of transformer is used in half wave rectifier? It is step down transformer. P1, P2 of step down transformer. P1, P2 of step down transformer. The alternating source which is to be rectified is connected across primary terminal P1, P2 of step down transformer. The secondary terminal S1 is connected to P side of junction diode D, and N side is connected to secondary terminal S2 through load resistance RL, across which output is to be obtained. Right. Write this much.
Done, sir.
Okay. Cross with output actually. Okay. Shall I clear this much?
Yes, sir.
When S1 is positive with respect to S2, then junction diode D becomes forward bias. S1 positive, S2 negative, then P is P, N is N, it is forward bias,
Yes, sir.
and conducts current from A to B through load resistance RL. When S1 is negative with respect to S2, then junction diode D becomes reverse biased and does not conducts current through load resistance RL. Thus, it is seen that output is obtained only for positive half cycle of input. Yes, just copy this much.
Done, sir.
Everybody had completed that one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thus, half wave rectification is obtained. Right.
Done, sir.
Explain full wave rectifier. Sometimes they ask only circuit diagram for full wave rectifier. If this is resistance connected across AB, here voltage is supposed 12 and here 4. So what will be voltage across this? Yes, what will be 8 volt? Correct. 8 volt. That 8 volt is uniformly dissipated throughout. सेंटर में अगर एक वायर कनेक्ट किया और इधर बल्ब लगा दिया, so this will be 4 volt and this will be 4 volt, huh?
Yeah.
So this is called center tapping. That means if you connect wire at the center, then voltage will get equally divided. That is called center tapping. So in full wave rectifier, we'll take two PN junction diode, connect in such a way that voltage across both becomes half-half. That is called center tapping transformer. See how. First circuit diagram. The alternating source which is to be rectified is connected across primary terminal AB. This is symbolic rotation for transformer. Line come, secondary mein matlab step down. The alternating source which is to be rectified is connected across primary terminal AB of center tap step down transformer. Center में एक wire. Secondary terminal S1, S2 are connected to P sides of junction diode D1, D2. N sides are joined together and common point E is connected to center tap C through load resistance RL, across which output is obtained. Now see, when S1 is positive, तो ये इधर S1 प्लस, सेंटर पे इधर माइनस, इधर प्लस, फिर ये माइनस, मतलब ये न्यूट्रल वाला पॉइंट है. So this S1 will become positive, so it will conduct the current from P1 to N1 to E. वो टाइम पे नेगेटिव मतलब रिवर्स बायस to A, to F to G, and from here jumping off wire to C back to S1. During that cycle, this D2 is not conducting. When S2 is positive, it will conduct S2, P2, N2, E, F, G, C back to S2. So current is flowing through load resistance in same direction for both the junction diodes. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
देखिए बताओ कि समझा डायरेक्शन वाला पार्ट.
Again.
S1 पॉजिटिव है तो S1 will conduct from where? S1 P1 वो टाइम पे ये निगेटिव है ना, तो ये नहीं कंडक्ट होगा ना।
Yeah.
So what is our direction of current? S1 P1 N E F G C back to S1.
Yeah.
But when S2 is positive, then it will conduct the current from S2 P2 N2 E F G jumping C to S2. During this cycle D1 is not conducting. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Correct.
सबको समझ गया? डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट इज सेम थ्रू लोड रेजिस्टेंस
हाँ
R1.
सर
तो जब S1 कंडक्ट होएगा तो F2G करंट जाएगा, S2 कंडक्ट होएगा तो भी F2G जाएगा. So we get output in same direction or not? Through load resistance, output is in same direction.
Yes.
This is called full wave rectification. Draw circuit diagram, then graph we will see. Once you complete, please tell us so that graph will see, then construction, then working.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody has done this diagram.
यस सर
Diagram थोड़ा complicated लग रहा है, इसलिए in exam they ask many times 2 mark only diagram. Now see the graph. This is input across primary and output across See, not secondary, we are writing load resistance. गलती से secondary मत लिख देना. Load resistance. Output across load resistance. Input is alternating in nature. Positive cycle, negative cycle, negative. We get output for positive in one direction, even for negative in same direction. This is called full wave rectification. Draw graph.
Done, sir.
Now we'll see first construction, that means circuit diagram, and then work. The alternating source S, which is to be rectified, is connected across primary terminals AB of center tap step down transformer. Center tap step down transformer. The secondary terminals are connected to the P sides of junction diodes D1, D2. The N sides are joined together and common point E is connected to center tap C through load resistance RL. Write this much.
Done, sir.
When S1 is positive with respect to S2, then junction diode D1 conducts current from S1 comma P1 N1 E F G C back to S1. During this cycle, junction diode D2 does not conduct. When S2 is positive with respect to S1, then junction diode D2 conducts current from the junction diode D2 conducts current from S2 P2 N2 E F G C S2. During this cycle, D1 does not conduct. Thus, it is seen that current flows through load resistance RL. Current flows through load resistance RL in same direction in same direction for both half cycles of input. Thus, full wave rectification is obtained. Thus, full wave rectification is obtained.
Done, sir.
So that's all for today. We have completed till full wave rectifier.